here's a quick little Tenere 700 hack. If you don't have a center stand, if you don't want to put a center stand on it, like me, you want to, and you're over 200 pounds, you want to get your rear suspension out. Well, how do you do it? You can also do this on the side stand. I've already tried it, but I don't have to work on it on a side stand because I'm lucky enough to have a lift. So all you'll need is this, a little scissor jack, a little cheap scissor jack, and a piece of wood. That's it. Loosen your bolts, take and jack this up as much as you need to where you can get in here, and with your fingers, we're taking this, that's the top bolt. So we're going to take the top bolt out. So you're going to push it out. Pull it out. Then you're going to come down here and you're going to set your camera up. So, shit. Yep, okay, that works too. And now that you got both bolts out, here we go. And it's that simple. Take your own shock out. You don't need a center stand. Go get it fixed. Thanks for tuning in. Bye. Okay, so just a quick little Tenere 700 quack? No, hack. Yeah, not quack, hack. Okay, quack. Just a quack little Tenere 700 twap. Okay, guys, so a quick little Tenere 700. Jesus. Quick little Tenere 700 hack.